How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 Chevelle SS 396, done in Arctic white, black top, black interior, 4-speed, super nice car. See the bumpers, the grille, everything on this car is exceptionally nice. I tell you, I really like it with the SS hood and the black top on the white. Looks real nice. Super slick, straight down the sides. This is an all original panel car. Was restored about a year ago. I tell you, it is a super nice car, guys. It's hard to find them this nice. The body on this car, being all the original panels, original floors. Really like the gray rev wheels on it. So all the panel fitment, super nice. All the lines are nice and crisp on the car. See all your tail panel bezels and the rear bumper, all been redone. It's got the 12-bolt, 331 posi, got the rear sway bar, box control arms. Tell you, super nice car. It's got your power disc brakes, got power steering, got vintage air and heat. Now the motor is an early 70s Corvette 454 with the factory aluminum snowflake intake. It's got all your heavy duty radiator and everything in it. So the detail under the hood of this car is very nice. They used a lot of stainless hardware on it. See how nice and clean the door jambs all are. The doors. Got the nice black interior in it. Factory dash, got 3-spoke wheel. Headliner looks real nice. Got the factory 4-speed console and the factory type shifter in it. You have to bear with us. It's only about 22 degrees out today here, but we got some sunshine. Got the factory jack, spare. Trunk floor looks real nice in the car. Rear bumper, all your trims really nice on this car. I tell you, the white with the black top, good looking car. Good looking car. Now they did do a nice CD stereo system in the car. Nicely mounted it, did a nice bezel and everything around the stereo, so it looks nice. Got your pair of gauges under there. You see your AC controls and heat. It's just a super nice car, guys. Tell you, to find them this nice anymore is getting really hard to do. This is a car that drives and rides just perfectly. Got a nice mild cam in it. Duals. Fires right up. Now this was cloned to the SS when the restoration was done. Just a super nice car, guys. Sounds real good. Backup lights all work on the car, everything just like it should. I mean, this car is ready to get in, cruise it, drive it, enjoy it, ready to go to the shows. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.